Hey guys, welcome to a new video by TechnoGuy, and in this video I will be showing you guys how to insert a hyperlink in a HTML web page. So here I've got the code I had in my previous two videos in which I explained the basic syntax of a HTML web page and how to insert an image. So in this third video of my HTML series, I'll be showing you how to insert a hyperlink. Alright, so a hyperlink is basically in the form of a text or an image or any element of an HTML web page which can be clicked on to relocate to a new site or a file in your computer or anything like that. Alright, so it's gonna be really simple, and before we start I encourage you guys to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and give this video a like. Alright, so a hyperlink is always defined by the A tag. Alright, so the A tag defines the hyperlink and tells the interpreter that it is a hyperlink. Anything which is inside it is a hyperlink. And the A tag has an attribute, which is the href attribute. So this is the reference to the site or the file we need to relocate to or open once the element is clicked on. Alright, so the href tag defines the very purpose of the hyperlink A tag. Alright, so inside double quotes with an equal to mark before that is the site link, or basically the file path of the file you want to open. So I'll be showing you guys how to open a website I have over here, say youtube.com, my channel. Alright, so this is my channel here, and this is the link to my channel. So I will copy paste that over here inside the double quotes. So that's gonna be the relocation site, and inside I'm gonna add some text, the representative text. Alright, so click here to view my channel. It's gonna be displayed as normal text, but it's gonna be blue in color, and when clicked on it will relocate to this site over here, which is my channel. Alright, so click here to view my channel is the representative text, and all we are gonna do is just close the A tag. So that defines our hyperlink. So I hope you guys understood each and every element of the hyperlink. This is the tag, and this is the attribute href, which is the reference to the link, and this is the link itself in double quotes and closed in double quotes, and this is the representative text. This click here to view my channel is the thing which will be displayed, and after that we are gonna close the hyperlink tag. Alright, so I can save that, and I have it opened in my browser. Okay, I'll just open that. Perfect. So I see here my hyperlink. I click that and it relocates to my channel. Awesome, awesome, awesome. It works. But what if we want to leave a line and keep it over here? That's when we use another BR tag. This BR tag which leaves a line. Alright, so I'll just insert two BR tags here to leave two lines. I'll save that and I'll run it again. Yes, that's perfect. So you can insert multiple hyperlinks in a web page, and it doesn't have to be text. See here. So we can also define this image, this previous image, as a hyperlink too. Alright, let's do some magic here. Alright, so I'm gonna now enclose this image inside a hyperlink A tag. Alright, so I'll define a new A tag there, A with a reference with href. It's gonna be equal to the same YouTube channel I have. So and the representative text is gonna be the image which I already have defined here. And all I have to do is enclose this image within the A tag. Perfect, that autofills for me. Alright, so now I have defined my image as a hyperlink. Okay, so we're doing nothing but replacing the representative text with the image code itself. So I'll just save that and I'll open that again, and voila, you see here that my cursor changes when it floats over the image, and when I click on the image it relocates to my channel. Amazing. Alright guys, that's it, and that's how you have to insert a hyperlink in a HTML web page that can relocate to a website. And alternatively, you can include a file path or the name of the file you want to relocate to inside this href, and it will open that file when you click on the hyperlink. Alright, Please ask any doubts in the comments below and have a good day. Goodbye, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.